Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Hunter Wish John Deere Replacement Lawnmower Blades. This is a two-pack. We're going to open it up, show you what they look like, and let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get these open, first just kind of show you how nicely wrapped it is. Now I'm going to just unwrap so you can see them a little bit cleaner. All right, so once we remove the wrapping, you'll kind of see exactly how cutting blade looks. Hole mounting areas, pretty standard stuff. I guess just a great replacement blade, and of course there's two of them. So these look great, plenty sharp. Obviously not going to cut your finger or anything like that, but when spinning at a high rate, they're going to cut your grass, any small sticks, all that stuff will be chopped up pretty nicely. So simple and easy based on installation. These are the pieces, so looks great. Hopefully this review helped you understand what you're getting, and thanks for buying, or thanks for watching.